Here's how you can fix the issue of not being able to join the Roblox games. So if you're unable to join games on Roblox, the first thing I recommend is closing your browser, or if you are using the Roblox app, completely closing it and restarting it. For example, I'll open my browser again and go back to Roblox. You can go ahead, open your browser again, and then go to roblox.com, log into your account, scroll down and hover your mouse to any game that you want to play. And if you see the play icon over here, go ahead and tap on that to see if that works. If that does not work, try using a different browser. Since I'm using Google Chrome, you could try Microsoft Edge. You can go ahead and open Microsoft Edge and then go ahead and search for roblox.com, log into your account, and see if it works. Another thing you can do is try restarting your computer. Restarting reloads everything and is definitely worth trying. To do this, you can click on the Windows icon in the bottom left and then tap on the power button and tap on restart. After your computer restarts, open the browser and go back to Roblox and see if it works. If it's still not working, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. To do this, go ahead and search for Add or Remove Programs. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and scroll down and search for Roblox application. Once you find it, tap on uninstall and tap on OK to confirm, and then reinstall it using the official Roblox website. I hope one of these methods will help you solve your problem. If it does, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.